You're playing with a light bulb circuit. A compass is lying next to it on the table. You turn the circuit on and you notice that the needle of the compass moved. Out of curiosity, you turn the circuit off. The needle moves again. You repeat the process just to be sure a couple of times, and the result is the same. What do you think is causing this? Hans Christian Ørsted, a Danish physicist, faced a similar situation, and he concluded that there's a connection between electricity and magnetism. Flowing charge, that is current, produces a magnetic field around itself. As you can see the field lines around the copper wire, the distance between them keeps increasing as they move away from the copper wire, showing that the strength of the magnetic field is weakening away from the wire. You can find the direction of this magnetic field using the right hand grip rule, which suggests that if you were holding the current carrying wire in your right hand and the thumb was pointing to the direction of current, your fingers will show you the direction of magnetic field around the wire. One of the direct application of this phenomenon is the electromagnet. So what is an electromagnet? An electromagnet is a magnet which can be turned on and off as per our will. Let us look at how an electromagnet is constructed. You need an iron core. As iron is soft magnetic material, it can be magnetized and demagnetized easily. You wrap conducting wire around the iron core and connect the wire to a power supply. This setup is a simple electromagnet. If you turn the circuit on, current will flow through the copper wire, causing a magnetic field around the wires, which will magnetize the iron, turning it into a magnet. When you turn the circuit off, the current stops flowing, the magnetic field vanishes, and as iron is soft magnetic material, it will lose its magnetism. What possible application can you have of a magnet that can be turned on and off? Well, the limit is only your imagination. How to increase the strength of the electromagnet? Increase the current flowing through the wire, and increasing the number of turns on the coil can increase the strength of the electromagnet. What are the benefits of an electromagnet compared to an ordinary magnet? An electromagnet can be turned on and off at will, and you can change the polarity of an electromagnet on will as well. You can increase the strength of the magnet by increasing the current, or decrease the strength by decreasing the current. So what will you do with an electromagnet?